Hello everyone, so in today's class we are going to learn how to make clay charms. Here I am using white clay to make a stamp. You can use this kind of stamp in your envelope or in letters. Here I am making very tiny flower. For that you need to make very small balls of clay and stick it with each other as I am doing in the video. See how tiny it is. Now stick it to the stamp. In the same way I will make another flower and I will stick it to the stamp. Here I will stick even the stem of our flower. The stem which I used is in brown color, but you can even use green color. Now I will add details to it with the help of clay tool. And yes, this kind of clay tool mostly you get with your clay also, but if you don't, then buy it online in a very reasonable price. Before making anything with the clay, kneading is very important. So cut your clay as I am cutting in the video. And if you cut your clay in the same way, you will get the perfect size of balls. Now attach every ball in the same way as I am showing in the video. And this is the way you will get your perfect flower. And adding details is must to make the flower look more beautiful. You know, in paintings we add details to look it more realistic. So in the same way in clay things also we add texture, details to make it look realistic. And in this video I am making a character of a flower, or you can say cartoonist version of a flower. And you know, to make anything as a character you have to add eyes, nose and hands to it. So that's what I am doing. Now I will make a cute little clay cup. So for that, remember you have to take this kind of pen which has even edge. Now take your clay and put it in the edge. Now it's time to give our clay a cup shape. So do as the same way I am doing in the video. Use your pinky finger to give that rounded perfect shape to our cup. And while you are giving shape, make sure that you smooth out the surface. Cause if you don't smooth out, it will look bumpy and it will look uneven. Now it's time to make our cup's handle. For that, use a scale or you can say ruler to get that even clean handle. Now attach your handle as the same way I am doing in the video. It's really easy. See how cute and tiny it looks. It's already cute, but let's make it more cuter by adding bow to it. So first of all, take a tiny piece of red clay and give a triangular shape. Now take two another pieces and give them drop shape. After making two drop shape from clay, now keep that triangular part in middle. Now attach two drop shapes in each side. In this way your cute bow is ready. I know it looks hard, but no, it is not. Now I will attach this cute little bow to my cup. Now with the help of marker, I will draw the face. Okay, can you guess which character I am making? Yes, you are right. I am giving little kid look to my cup because I love kitty. You know, you can even add beak and make it a duck cup. And here is the final look. So that is it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.